How to see all of the recent games you have played on Roblox. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can access the games you've played recently on Roblox. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. So if you want to access your Roblox game history, you first need to open up your Roblox app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are on your homepage after you've logged in, you will find different options like the Spotlight, where you have some Spotlight specific games, you have people you may know, and if you scroll down, you'll find some recommended games for you as well. And finally, you will see the continue playing game. Now, if you scroll to the side, you will find all of the previously played games on your account. Now, obviously, you cannot see all of your entire history, but if you want to see all of your games, you can just tap on this arrow and it will show you on this block list right here all of the games that you've previously played. So that's how you access your game history on Roblox. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.